All right, welcome to Beyond Soup, where I put up all sorts of stuff. Today we have a very interesting item. This is the NAD D3020. This is the 40th anniversary version of the original 3020 back in the day. Anyway, I'm not sure if this thing is at 100%, but I will be showing you how this unit is functioning at this time. I've got it hooked up to a couple of my clip speakers, and it comes with the remote and the main unit only. And the side panel has been opened, but it's functioning like it's working. But again, I will show you what's going on with it. Anyway, it's got two controls on top here. It's like a touch control, and the power button lights up when it is off, as you can see there. And then there's also a kind of a button here for source. Anyway, if I touch it, it is turning on. You can see there. There it goes, and now it's on auxiliary, and that's how I have it hooked up at the moment. So I'll go ahead and play my source. Okay, at this point, right now it's not responding, but it was earlier, which is why I was saying there might be, it's not at 100% here. Okay, so the volume knob seems to work fine. And I'm not sure, maybe it's just the remote, but if I wanted to switch sources on the remote itself, I just simply hit the forward buttons. So it goes from auxiliary 2 to Bluetooth, to optical 2, coax, USB, and back to auxiliary. Again, I can do the same thing going backwards. Okay. And then I could either turn it off from here. No, that's not working. Oh, there you go. Okay. Or I can turn it back on. All right. And I don't know if you can see this, but there's a small S here. I can turn off the light. Nope. All right. All right. But there's a small S there, and that's also to choose your source. See if I could switch again. I guess it's working now. Yep. Okay. So I guess it's functioning okay. I'm not at 100% confident that it's working at 100%, so I will not claim it's working at 100%. Anyway, as mentioned earlier, the side panel is open here where you can simply pull it. And you'll see the inside of this thing. All right, and here's the back of the unit. It's got screw type terminals. It's got your auxiliary RCA inputs, your USB connection, your optical there, your coax there, and then it's got a bass EQ, I guess is what they call it, there. I don't know how that works, but that's kind of, there's a button there, and then you've got a 12-volt trigger to turn it on. Basically, again, just wanted to show you how this unit works at the moment. As I'm playing with it, you're really seeing what it's doing. There, I think it just turned off on me. Oh no, it's because it changed to auxiliary. Let's put this back to auxiliary there. So that's basically, again, what I wanted to show you is how it's currently working as I'm playing with it. Now, I've turned it off before, and I'll turn that off and wait for a second as I'm trying to do this with one hand. So let me just put this back in place. There you go. And then I'll turn it back on, and it seems to do what it's supposed to do. But that's how it's going with this unit. So that's what I really wanted to show. So hopefully that possibly helps somebody out there. Again, the sides open on this particular unit. It was kind of forced open here, so it kind of broke the little clips. And then there's two screws here in the back that holds it in place. Anyway, that's pretty much it for this unit. Here's some information on the specs. It's a 30 watts at 8 ohms, and then it's got an IHF dynamic power of 65 watts at 8 ohm. IHF dynamic power at 4 ohm is 105 watts, and then an IHF dynamic power at 2 ohms at 150 watts. It's got a signal to noise ratio of 90 dB, total harmonic distortion of 0.03%, and maximum voltage input is 5 volts, and this stands at 8 and 5/8 inches high, 7 and 3/8 inches deep, and then 2 and 5/16 wide, and it's about 4.6 pounds, and it has this very simple remote control And if you wanted to get to the battery, you simply stick something in there and it pops it open. That's what it looks like. Anyway, that's pretty much it for this demo. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and possibly join the channel. That's Beyond Soup, where I put up all sorts of stuff. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.